everyone, and welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're wondering why my makeup is pretty much almost all done, it's because this look is already up on my channel. I will have it linked down below. It's going through my makeup wish list while putting on makeup. But for today's video, we are testing out the Urban Decay Brow Blade. I know that this product is really old. I've just been waiting for the Sephora sale to happen so that I could buy this and get 20% off. How awesome. And I got this in the shade Brunette Betty. So the product that I used to have that was very similar to this was from Glossier, and it was their Brow Flick. The problem with that is that they only have it in 3 shades. They have it for like blonde hair, they have it in brown, and they have it in like a black, I think. I just felt like using something different. So I got the Urban Decay Brow Blade because it, like the Brow Flick, has this super fine point on it. And this is what I'm looking for. I would love if they sold this separately. So I also got this because one of my favorite beauty YouTubers is SMLXO. I'll have her channel linked down below. Her name is Stephanie Letta. She did an updated brow routine very recently, and this is what she used. And honestly, before she even put that video up, I had been staring at her brows because she changed her brow routine, and I noticed, and I was like, oh my God, I love her brows. I want them. How does she do it? And then when she put up her brow routine, she used this product. So that's what we're doing today. I'm going to zoom you guys in and we're going to try this out on camera. All right, welcome to my face. Also, if the lighting gets a little weird in and out of this, I'm filming in natural light. So the first thing I'm going to do is go in with the waterproof pencil side. And I love that this is waterproof. Brows to me are like the most important part of my makeup. If I had to choose like my 3 desert island items, it would be my brows, mascara, and some kind of like powder to mattify my face. And that's it. So, of course that's it. It's only 3 items. Anyway, we're going in with the waterproof pencil side, which I'm really stoked about because I would love for my brows to last all day long. So just so you guys can see, this is a very fine tip, and I already love that because I love to get those like hair-like strokes if I can. And I feel like you can see that that is already happening. I was also excited for this product because it has the 2 ends, and with how like little brow hair, oops, that one doesn't go there. With how little brow hair I have, I know that the more products that you use, you know, in different textures, the more 3-dimensional or whatever, or more realistic that they'll look. And normally I just use my brow pomade with an eyebrow gel. I'm not a big fan of pencils as much anymore because I just feel like they don't look right. But this one, maybe I just don't have the right pencils because I am really liking this. I'm using a super light pressure, by the way. And I'm going to now comb my brows down and get, that's the thing, this doesn't come with a spoolie, so you do have to have a separate spoolie, but I'm okay with that. And I'm just going to now get right in here. Again, I'm using a really light pressure. This comes off on your skin so easily whenever you make contact. I think that's all I'm going to do for the pencil side for right now. So what I'm going to do next is actually use my e.l.f. Wow Brow Gel in deep brown. And Stephanie Letta also uses this in her brow routine, and I already had this, so I was super stoked about that, and I already know I love this product. So what I'm going to do is brush my brows up with this first, and then go in with the ink stain, because I want my natural hairs to stick out the most, and then with whatever I need to fill in, that's when I'll use the ink stain. I'm also a huge fan of this eyebrow gel because it's a fiber brow gel, and this is $4, which is insane to me. I would pay like $12, I don't know. I would pay a lot more than what this is sold for. Okay, but so now you can see where we have the defined hairs that are actually mine. And now I'm going to go in with the ink stain and fill in where I feel like it's needed. So for me, that would be kind of right here. I'm going to do the tail a little bit, and I'm going with the direction that the hairs would naturally grow. And I'm okay with like getting a little bit, what I would say, outside of the lines, because I want that more like feathery look. I'm loving the way this is looking so far, and I feel like I haven't even done that much. Okay. And now we're going to go into the front. And this is kind of the tricky part. How do I want to do this? I think I'm going to hold my pen like this and try flicking up. I mean, this is like very detailed work, I guess, but yeah, look at that. Ooh, oh my gosh. Ooh, I'm so obsessed with this. So I wish I did have, like I said, the dark drapes color, just so I could get some more like of the ink stain over in here, because I really do like this shade for the front, but I wish I had that dark drapes for more like my tail region. But honestly, I'm still happy with this. All right, I'm going to do my other brow. Okay, I think I am finally happy with my brows. I'm gonna zoom you guys back out. I could spend hours. Okay, that's not true. I could spend a really long time on my brows because they're like my favorite part of a face, or at least when I do them on my face. But to me, my brows look so much fluffier than they usually do, and I think it's because of having that pencil as the shadow and then having the brow gel and the ink stain. Like, this combo is my absolute favorite. Like, look at this. This to me, like, look at all those hairs. Oh my god. It is so good. I'm so happy with it. I'm absolutely in love with this brow pencil, and I'm so excited that I got it. It is just such a game changer. And I do like this better than the Brow Flick because I think it matches my hair better. I love that there's more color options with the Urban Decay line. And then this brow pencil was so good. 10 out of 10, 100% recommend, would purchase, would like 5 more. I need backups. And hi. So I know I was just raving about this like 2 seconds ago. I'm not happy. So here's what's going on. As I was editing this, I looked back and thought, what the hell? My eyebrows look literally green. And then I thought, okay, maybe it's just the video. I'm gonna grab a photo and insert it into here and I'll show you what it looks like in real life. And then I was like, wait a second, because I hadn't looked at the photos yet. And I thought, they look green here too. What is going on? So looking back, one of my problems with this is the shade. So like I said, I picked up Brunette Betty, which is described as a warm brown. Warm means red or orange. Green is on the opposite side of the color wheel, okay? I don't understand. Doesn't make sense. So I don't know why my eyebrows look green. And then also the ink stain. So like I said before, the main reason that I got this was for the ink stain. The waterproof pencil is just a bonus. I like it, but the main reason why I got this was for the ink stain. And it was more for my natural no makeup days. Days like this where I just have on a little bit of, I put on Physicians Formula Healthy Powder, and I just want to add a couple hair-like strokes to my brows. Sounds easy enough, right? So you know what, I'm just gonna get right into it and really quickly demonstrate on this eyebrow what the heck I'm talking about. Okay, that's all I want to do. That's literally all I'm looking for on a day like today. Now my problem here is that look how shiny this product is. It is so shiny, And you can't even see the hair-like strokes right here. Oh, I totally forgot to mention, if my scalp looks extra red, it's because I did a leave-in conditioner to try to like color my hair a bit, and it just stained the crap out of my head. But anyway, look at that. You like can't even see that right there. I put product there. Like I'm trying to find a different angle that you can see that there's product there, because in a certain angle, you can't even see it. Like, what the heck? And then it's like you go over it more times to try to get it to show up, and then it just kind of becomes muddy looking, and there's not even those defined hair strokes anymore. And then I feel like it's coloring my actual brow hairs a darker shade, and then this is still lighter. So now it's like defining my brow hairs that I have, which there's not many, so I don't really want them defined as much. I'm trying to add more hairs with the ink stain, and it's like, it's defeating the purpose. Do you know what I mean? So between how shiny it is, how it looks green on camera, which I'm still not understanding, I don't know what the heck happened. Okay, honestly, I'm returning this, and I did pick up the shade Dark Drapes. I just ordered it last night, so I'm not sure when it's going to get here. But as of right now, I thought I was so happy with this, and here I am returning it. So hopefully it's just the shade. The shade let me down. There's your update for this. Sorry it sucks, but it's what happened. It's the truth. And I always want to be honest, so there you go. Okay, I'm back for day 3 of this review. You guys might think I'm crazy. I literally have to post this video in like a couple hours right now, but look what I got in the mail. I got the Dark Drapes shade, so I have to test it out on camera. I'm gonna make this a quick update. It should be a pretty quick test of whether or not I like this. Also, update on the other one, the clip that you just saw a second ago. I went downstairs and my husband looked at me and said, "Why are your eyebrows green?" So I know it is not just me, and I didn't even tell him. So there you go. Anyway, Dark Drapes, ink stain, literally just pulled it out of the box. Let's see what happens. So far, so good. I'm gonna grab my e.l.f. Wow Brow in deep brown, put that over top how I normally would do this, and let's see. Okay, here's the finished brow. I think it definitely looks pretty natural. Yeah, I guess I like it. Way, way better than the Brunette Betty shade. I think I'll keep this one. There's still some like shininess going on right here, which I'm like not a big fan of, so I'm just gonna take the pencil side and see if that like mattifies it. I think I like it. I think it's good. Yeah, that's it. I guess I like the Dark Drape shade. What a roller coaster of a ride that was. You guys aren't going to believe this. I literally just turned off my camera, said that I liked it, had the pencil on the bed for what, a minute, 30 seconds, and then I went to do my other eyebrow so I don't look crazy just walking around the house with one. And literally, where is it? Hello? Like, stop it. Like, where is it? Dude, I'm literally even holding it. Like, look how muddy it's getting. I'm not getting this hair-like strokes right here now because I've had to go over it. Dude, this is not showing up like it just was on the other side. Look at that. Look at the freaking difference. Look how dark that is. Okay, this is ridiculous. I've never been so frustrated by a brow product. I'll even do this. No, I just want a hair-like stroke, like right in here. What the heck? This looks so bad. Okay, I'm officially extremely frustrated. This is the most frustrating brow product I've ever dealt with in my freaking life. Yeah, this sucks. I'm just so annoyed that this brow looks so good and this one I feel looks like crap. Yeah, I don't like it. Never mind. Wow. Extreme roller coaster. ride is what this was. Extreme. Now let's go back to the other outro. Don't like this product. I guess that's it for the review on the Urban Decay Brow Blade. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you liked it and thought it was helpful, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe. Videos are every Tuesday and Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I'm pretty consistent with the bonus videos, so I feel like I'm just going to throw it in there and say videos are every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Kind of a weird schedule, but it's what works for me. So there you go. I will have this linked in the description box down below along with the e.l.f. Wow Brow. If you're wondering about the rest of my makeup though, go check out my other video that I will have linked down below. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it, and go have a good one. Bye. I think I just shook my camera. I'm gonna zoom you guys. I need to stop putting my foot up there. So if you watch my... Stay still. Garner's calling me. She's pregnant. Should I answer? I should answer. Hello? Hello?
Hi. Sorry, my Bluetooth was like connecting and then it wasn't connecting.
So you're not in labor?
No.
If you thought it was helpful? Kind of weird, but bonus videos? So I feel, okay.